Hey YouTube, my name's Light, and today I'm going to show you guys how to be spiritual when you don't really have any freaking time to be because of work, school, family, and friends, and all the other billion things that don't really matter. But yeah, it's something I definitely struggle with, so I figured you guys also struggled with it, maybe, probably, right? Great. First thing is I spend 5 minutes a day studying something spiritual, so it could be online or reading. I personally love books. I have a crap ton of them. I'm not even kidding. This is like a fourth of them. I have a problem. Please help me. Okay, anyways, if you don't like reading, you could always journal. I spend a few minutes a day journaling, writing affirmations and things I'm grateful for. Back when I was in school and had a desk job, I used to bring crystals with me just to clear my head and keep connected to the earth. You can also wear them. I'm wearing one right now. Just make sure they're not the plastic Hot Topic kind. Here's a little crying man I carry around. He represents yin and yang, so he takes all the suffering while you're left with the happiness. Make sure anytime you do anything spiritual, post it all over social media so everyone knows how zen you are. Just kidding, please don't. So the next thing I do, I got from this book. This is called The Law of One. This is the first book, and it's by some other dimensional beings who go by the name Ra. So it's basically just this huge interview asking aliens who know way more than us whatever we want to ask them. They ask them how to be more enlightened. They gave us a couple different ways, which all have to do with just losing your ego and your sense of separation from everyone else. The one I do most is whenever you're talking to someone and you agree with what they say, you relate to it, just take a moment to recognize that their soul was once a part of your soul and you come from the same source and you're basically the same person. Like you're sitting there listening to yourself talk. And that's what every conversation is. Every interaction in the world, you're just talking to yourself. I don't know, it's really cool, it's really trippy, and I do that one often. I made like a habit out of it. Once you do it a few times, it will become a habit. Another thing that you can do, which I know takes a little bit more time than all the other things, is do your new moon and full moon rituals. If you don't know what that is, I think I made a video about the full moon rituals. It's basically you write down affirmations, and whether it's new moon or full moon, you either keep it in your consecrated journal or you just burn it like off any loose leaf paper. This is my consecrated journal. It's very important to me. I like literally set this aside only for my new moon intentions. I don't use it for anything else. I don't let anyone touch it. My most recent ritual that I did was the Aries new moon ritual. So yeah, you just write. You just write affirmations. Typically that has to do with whatever sign that it's in. So Aries is like about growth and like fast decisions. So I wrote things in regards to that, and also just like general things that I want to happen. And it sounds a little silly if you're not into spirituality, but like this is a game changer. I highly suggest setting aside some time twice a month, new moon and full moon, to do these rituals. I started doing it because of a Twitter user named Mystic Lipstick, and she posts them every month and gives you like little snippets of what you could write. So definitely look into that. Like I said, it's a big game changer if you want to be spiritual, and it's helped me a lot. The next and most important thing that you have to do every day is meditate. I use this app called Calm. They have guided meditation and timed meditation that ranges from a minute to 8 hours. Right now I do 5 minutes just because I'm still a beginner. That's what I can handle. Meditation helps my depression, my anxiety. It makes me more productive, makes me have a better day. Just all around a really good thing. Even if you're not into spirituality, I highly recommend meditating just to be a better you. Look how happy I am. Oh my gosh. This app also has guided breathing, so just breathing in, holding, and breathing out. I use this one a lot whenever I'm anxious. It really helps. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helped you in some way. Make sure to subscribe down below, and thank you guys so much for all the nice comments you keep leaving on my other videos. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!